Hello everyone. Uh, Today I'm getting an error, null injector error, no provider for HTTP clients. Actually, I have created a login service. In the login service, simply we create the observable method, get the data. This .http client. This is the basically a dummy API that I am calling here. Here is the HTTP client imported. Now I'm using this one in the login component. See here the login service I am using and importing here, and using this login service I once I compiled getting this error. Let's see how to resolve this issue. See, here is the article I have found, and in this article we need to import this one, provide HTTP client, and we'll need to add this provide HTTP clients in the app.config. So let's see in the code how can we do this. Simply I am copy this file and going to my project. And see, here is the app.config file. Simply I will come here and paste to the provide HTTP client, and I'm going to use this one here. Now see, this file used in main.js. Main.js basically bootstrap applications. Here we using the app.config. App.config constant, basically we have created app.config constant here. This one is basically app.config constant. See here, export constant app.config or app.configuration. These configurations created here and using in the main.js. See, now come to the code. This is the terminal window. Now I'm going to run again this project. Hopefully this null injector error will resolve. Now ng sub command executing, restarting building the applications. It's taking few seconds. Please take the patience. See, the project is built successfully, and run this project. I hope you got this point and you will resolve your issue as well. See, keep in mind, first we need to go in the app.config file. In the app.config file you will import provide HTTP client and use this provide HTTP client in the app.config file constant. This constant basically using the main.js file. So we do not need to do anything in main.js file. Basically the main.js file already used here. So thanks for watching this video. I'm requesting you to please subscribe my channels And also if you have any query or any problem related anything, so you can comment in the comment box. And thanks for watching.